education, and editing baba. Taşıyalım. So you can do like a custom area to get in your house. So I like doing this. With little stones like mostly cool. Let me show you this. So basically, I just stone, but I'm not changing it. It's just used to see. Just to get out. Doesn't look good. I'm going to stone. Make sure you do not fill it all the way. First, this is actually well done to put away from me. Of course, if you wonder, you can use this. Just find it. I'll show you like my secret piece. No, this is like a secret spot. So basically, we don't need anything to get in. And here's my fish already. No, not this. And I will tell you. Or to not climb up here. I think you think this is my secret base. That is so let me build. I have a chimney there. But cheers. Just think. And think, oh, that's all she has. Wow, that's bad. Then you'd go down like that. Let me show you something. It's downstairs in the basement. That is where the base is. just have to go like that. Make sure you close behind you. So there's a good notice. Make these, open. Basically, you think, right side, that's so random. And continue walking. Walking until you see this. The basements. This is connected to that. Why you ask? Just in case a creeper's following me. And if a zombie or a skeleton, I can run in here. Go on the ground. Get inside. Come show you my secret base. Which is where I hide all my treasures. Once again, this might be random. No. Go press down on this. So, I am so good. This shelf is full of TNT. Go. Demons. With a guardian egg. I was going to do a guardian, but I didn't. Like, you may think, oh, this is so small. This was so hard to build. You wouldn't even know. Cause like, like 5 rounds into the floor. For it to rebuild all the loud like this was the plan. Oh, let's change it up. Hello? Just so I think I might do it. So stay tuned for that. But you just have to put these down to grow it and not doing anything else. If you could tell. Like, I don't choose this because I want it. Actually. Do you think chat full of like dairy and cheese soon? So stay tuned for that. I'll probably also be in this secret base, but yeah. I don't know why my agent is there. If I accidentally pressed this button. So yeah. I can use one and I was on the game that I needed to. Because I pressed your button multiple times. Do stuff. But yeah. I'm going to show you how this gate works quickly. So basically just I'm just open this up. But yes, that is the but okay, this is the end of the video.